Hey there, it's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. This week, I want to remind you guys about freelancers. Don't forget about freelance writers. Just because they're not officially on staff at the Wall Street Journal or the New York Times, they use freelance writers. And that's a great way to build a relationship with somebody who's writing for lots of different magazines or newspapers where you could be an expert all over the place. Check out this website right here that's going to give you a freelance directory. And you can, dig around in there and see if you can find who's in your industry, who's freelancing. And reach out to them, provide value to them, share with them your expertise. Don't pitch them right away. Remember, I'm always talking about provide service first. So I hope you enjoy this week's tip. If you like this and you'd like to learn more, please join the free PR challenge at yourprchallenge.com. It's a 10-day challenge, 10 minutes a day, guys. It's super, super easy. And if you do it, you'll see results. It's unbelievable. So please join the challenge. I can't wait to see you there, and I can't wait to hear about all of your media success.